little bit of a mini haul for you. I would call this an unboxing. I was gonna make it an unboxing, but I couldn't not open up my package the second I got it. This is 2 items that I bought from one Depop seller in Canada, and with the exchange rate from Canada to US, it's like ridiculously cheap. So I got 2 Angelic Pretty bags basically for a little over $40, which is not bad at all. So I absolutely could not resist getting these. So my first item is this Angelic Pretty babe. Both of these purses are by Angelic Pretty. This one was about 20 CAD, so I don't remember how much that is American, but it's got this cute little scallop heart with a bow, and a very old school text says Angelic Pretty, and it's just kind of a big square boy. He holds a lot of stuff, and he's got a strap. So my only beef with this is that the strap is a little bit low, like it's right like halfway through the bag where it should be up a little bit higher, so that it doesn't like try to do that and do that. The seller included these in my package as a little gift. They're just some little clippies. I don't know how long they'll last, but they're clearly handmade, which is super cool, and they're very cute, so thank you for that. But I do love all the little details on this bag. So we've got a little heart right here, and I think, yep, there's one on the other side as well. Little hearts that are sewn on, and even the little studs holding the leather together down here are hearts, and this is a heart, the little buckle, and even the pole is a little leather heart. So just the number of hearts on this bag is very good. And the scalloping has these little holes punched in so that it mimics scalloped lace, which is super duper cute. The seller did point out that there was a bit of a glue stain down here. It seems to just be excess glue, and honestly, I feel like over time I'll be able to scratch it off. So I'm not too concerned about that. And this boy is spacious. So we've got this pocket back here, which is pretty sizable. You could put like your wallet and stuff there. And then inside the body of the bag, I have right now 4 manga shoved inside of it, 4. And there's still ample room for other stuff in here. And we've got an inside pocket that has, let me take these out real quick, that has our Angelic Pretty tag right there. And then there is a Made in China tag down on the bottom. So if you didn't know, the Angelic Pretty purses are not made in Japan. They're made in China, unfortunately. But I mean, it's better to know than to not know, at least. And this is made so well. It's one of the bags where you can't pull the lining out. Like, the lining is solid. Like, for comparison. So this bag is from WC, and you can pull the lining out of it. It just comes up. And that's like a mark of quality. You shouldn't be able to pull your lining out of your bag. So these are definitely very sturdy. They're made to last a long time, clearly. I believe this bag was originally in a 2014 Lucky Pack, or at least a different colorway of it was. The seller said that she purchased this from the Angelic Pretty San Francisco store, so I don't know, but I think it's from roughly 2014. So next, I got this little blue satchel bag, which I think is super duper adorable. It's got a slightly longer strap on it, clearly because it's meant to sit more as like a satchel, whereas the other one is meant to be more of like a book bag type thing. We still have the heart buckle, although this boy doesn't have any like metal hardware holding the leather apart. together. So we just have the heart buckle, but it's adorable. And then the bow has some little like scalloped leather like the other one as well. I think it's vinyl. Yeah, and then we have Angelic Pretty in their more modern little logo. And then this boy is also pretty spacious. We can fit a Sheen and a Stormy inside of it. And then we have a little pocket for, I'm assuming it was originally meant to be a phone, but this bag was made when phones were still fairly small, I'm guessing. And then there's also one for like a chapstick, a little small boy. And yeah, this one also says made in China. So I'm assuming that all of their bags and shoes are made in China, because I know that their shoes are made in China. So clearly their purses are probably also made in the same place that their shoes are made. But I got this for 15 CAD, which is practically anything. Still very, very good construction. I believe this one is also like the other one. That, yeah, you can't pull the lining out of it at all. The lining is very sturdy. Very nice quality bags. Like, I can see why Angelic Pretty charges as much as they do. Comparatively, I mean, if a dress is $300 and it's that quality, then the purse is obviously going to be fairly expensive as well. But yeah, these are my 2 items. Lovely seller. I did give her 5-star feedback. I give everybody 5-star feedback, but like, especially the people that give me nice gifts. And she even packaged it in like cute purple tissue paper. Like, the second I opened up the package, I was like, oh, I really should have made an unboxing video, because she packaged it so cutely. But at least we get the mini haul out of it. I am very excited to have these in my wardrobe. My little Lolita wardrobe is just growing so cutely. I'm definitely, if you can't tell, definitely sticking to old school aesthetics, just because I feel like they're a lot easier to coordinate with each other, old school pieces. And I'm honestly not a big fan of prints, just in general. So solid color things are definitely my jam. And a nice old school purse just completes the look. I know that these are more modern, that they were made post 2010. I think, yeah, the oldest one I think is 2014. I don't know how old the blue one is. I'm sorry, I'm sure it can be looked up on the library. But yeah, they just have that old school charm to them though. That like, I think 2004 era Angelic Pretty is like my fave. I also really like old school Baby the Star Shine Bright, but I did watch Kamikaze Girls like every day in high school. So yeah, I just wanted to have a short little video talking about the purses I just got. If you're curious about Angelic Pretty quality, it's definitely pretty good. I definitely recommend it. Obviously, I don't know about how ethically Angelic Pretty purses are made, but if you buy secondhand, then there's a bit of a gray area though. And I did buy these on Depop, so you can definitely get some good sales. One thing I really love about the Lolita community just in general is that there is such a huge, strong secondhand market. There are so many places to buy Lolita clothing secondhand, so many shopping services that are specifically designed for that. So I think that that's really cool. You can basically get whatever you want on the secondhand market if you just know how to look for it, and that's super cool. I really love any community that supports thrifting, to be honest. So yeah, I think my purses are really cool. I really like them. I'm glad that I got them. I hope everybody has a good day, and I hope everybody checks out Depop. Not spons, but I did get these from there, and it was only like $40 for both of them, so get those deals, and I will see you all next time. Bye!